What is the step-by-step method to solve a problem called?
Algorithm.
Which number system does a computer use?
Binary.
What does 1 in binary represent?
On.
What does 0 in binary represent?
Off.
What does SQL stand for?
Structured query language.
Which network connects computers in a small area like a school?
LAN.
Which network connects computers worldwide?
WAN.
Which generation of computers used vacuum tubes?
First.
Which generation of computers uses microprocessors?
Fourth.
What does IoT stand for?
Internet of Things.
Which is an example of an online meeting platform?
Zoom.
Which person is called a hacker?
One who breaks into systems.
What is the full form of VPN?
Virtual Private Network.
Who invented the first mechanical computer called the analytical engine?
Charles Babbage.
Who invented the World Wide Web, WWW?
Tim Berners-Lee.
The second generation of computers used which technology?
Transistors.
The third generation of computers used which technology?
Integrated circuits.
Which company introduced the first personal computer, PC?
IBM.
What was the first computer virus called?
Creeper.
What was Google's first search engine originally called?
Backrub.
Who founded Facebook?
Mark Zuckerberg.
Who is known as the father of the computer mouse?
Douglas Engelbart.
Which year was the first iPhone released?
(2007).
What does BIOS stand for?
Basic Input-Output System.
Which company developed Java programming language?
Sun Microsystems.